Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. My name is Jordan. I am going to be running through a quick 10-minute core routine. This is a great routine for beginners. Maybe you haven't ever done any core work before. Maybe you're really deconditioned. For me, this works great because I am on more of a postnatal journey, about 3 months postpartum right now, so it works really well for anybody that's in that category, but it can serve across all populations for any more of a beginner level, okay? So things are going to be very slow today, so you have a really good chance to focus on core activation, okay? So the first thing I'm going to have you do is come onto your hands and knees. Now, before I get to that point, when I say core activation 2 and I talk about that, I don't want you to think of sucking your stomach in, but more of a general like brace and squeeze, okay? Not a sucking in of the belly, okay? So we're going to come here to those hands and knees, bracing through your core, engaging everything nice and strong. You're going to go ahead and extend one leg straight back, taking it down, and then switch. So starting with just those legs. Keeping that core tight the whole time. Spine is neutral. Finding a spot a couple feet out in front of you to look at. Two more, so one more on each side. Good. Take a nice deep breath in and exhale. All right, re-engaging through that tummy, and then we're going to go ahead and do that same thing, but just the arms. So staying in that tabletop position, bracing your core, but now extending only your arms out. Every time you extend out, I want you to exhale. Inhale, place that hand back down. One more on each side. Good. All right, now another deep breath in and exhale. We're going to re-engage, and now we're going to combine both the arms and legs. So you're going to reach opposite arm and leg out, take it back down, and switch. Exhale, extend. Inhale, place it back down. One more on each side right here. And relax it down. You're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to look up, let that belly fall down. Exhale, tuck your head around your spine. One more time, inhale, look up. Exhale, round it out. All right, we're coming back to a neutral spine right here. We're going to do a bear crawl hold. You're going to tuck those toes under, bracing through that lower abdominals, and you're going to lift just the knees up right here and hold it. Hold and breathe. Just short little 10-second holds. 3, 2, 1. Place it down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round it out. All right, back to neutral. Engage through the core. Tuck the toes and lift it up. Breathe. Holding here for 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round it out. Back to neutral. Engage through the core. And one more time. Tuck the toes and lift it up and hold. Holding here for 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round it out. Very good. All right, we're going to flip over onto your side. Doesn't matter which side. We're going to do both of them. We're going to be getting in position here for a side plank. We're going to be doing these modified today. So bottom knee is going to stay down on your mat. All right, so first thing I'm going to have you do, you're going to do those, or lift your hips up, and then you're going to go into a leg lift. Take it down. Good. Extend up, and then lift your top leg. Good. We're going to be doing 3 more just like this. Two more. Last one. Lift it up. And rest. Good. Flipping it over now to your other side. We're going to do that same thing. Getting into position and go ahead. Lift up and then adding your leg lift. Take it down. We've got 8 here to do. Down to your last 3. And last one. Lift up and take it down. Very good. Go ahead and flip back over to your other side. We're going to be doing another version of a side plank right here. So we're going to keep it modified. Bottom knee stays down. You're going to lift those hips up, hold and get into position here. Take that top arm up, and you're going to do a little rotation of that torso. Not a ton of movement. Arm is doing most of the work. Make sure you continue to breathe. We've got 3 more. Good, and last one. Extend up, and we're gonna flip that over to your other side. Same thing right here, getting yourself into position. Press the hips up, arm up, and let's go. Two more. Very good. Lower it down. And we're going to go ahead now and flip over onto your back. All right, so this next move, we're going to take both the arms and legs up off the ground. Knees are going to be bent to about a 90-degree angle right here. Arms are coming straight up. Engaging and bracing, especially think about your lower abdominals here. Looking straight up towards the ceiling, you're going to lower one arm back behind you and up. Lower it down. Extend it up. We're going to go one more on each side. All right, keeping those arms up. Now we're going to do the same thing with the legs. So you're going to have your heels kind of together. So legs or feet are kind of slightly turned out. Good. We're going to go one more on each leg. Good. Plant those feet down on the ground. Once again, engaging through the core. Feet are about hip distance apart. I'm going to have you go ahead, press your hips up, core tight. Lower back down, but keep tension so you're not setting all the way back down in between. Raise it up, lower it down, squeezing through your glute muscles. Good. We're going to be going for 3 more right here. Good. And last one. Now you're going to hold. Holding right here. Bracing through the core. And breathing 10 more seconds. And relax that back down to the ground. Pull those knees into the chest. Gentle rock side to side, stretching it out. All right, and that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me.